Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World Electronics. I got a really cool package in the mail here. I did some studies online and read the reviews and chose a package, a product that I thought would be good. Oh, it's a different color from, the box is a different color. This is, hold on, Imax B6 lithium ion polymer balance charger. Works with lithium ion, LiPo, LiFe, NiCad, NiMH, and lead acid. It goes up to 1 to 6 cells on lithium ion, NiCads and the like 1 to 15 cells, and lead acid up to 20 volts and up to 5 amps charging current. Has discharge built in. Oh, it is orange. Yeah, the cover's different is all. B6 battery balanced charger. Look at that. So I'm starting into lithium ion technology, and I plan on building some power walls and some electric e-bike kits, battery packs. So I've got my first real proper charger. Let me see, we got cooling over here, we got DC, and what I like about this, especially for me since we're mostly off the grid and most of my electronics work is off grid, it has an 11 to 18 volt DC input range. That I like. It does not come with a power supply because it does have DC power input. And over here we've got the different connectors for up to 15 NiCads and up to 6 lithium ion cells. Let me see what all we get in this box. I hope there's a plug at least for the power supply. Otherwise I'm going to be crying. Oh yeah, here we go. There's your power input. It comes with a lot of cables. This was $22. It's insane. $22 for this. If it even works for $22, then it's worth every penny. There we go. So I like the fact that I can power this on pretty much any 12 volt lead acid type battery. Of course you can plug it into the wall if you get an appropriate power pack. It's got a wide range, 11 to 18 volts. I like that fact. So there's your power in, and then we've got a couple other connectors here. Let's see what we got here. This I wasn't quite clear on the images online until I actually got them here. So here everything's the output is banana plug. So here's your minus and your plus. Fits really snug. It feels very, very good and secure. Basically it's made for RC enthusiasts. And here, what is this? Here we got, oh wait a minute, we've got here different connectors. Oh, cool. Okay, that I can use on anything. Oh, okay, that I think, let me see, there's two different plugs here. Here we got 2 pins. Here we got, I gotta look in the sunlight, I think 3 pins. So I see this is your main output. And then from there you can branch out. This is the one I'll probably be using the most right here, to your outputs based on your needs. So we've got 3 different sets of outputs, as well as a alligator clip. I like that fact, because I'm going to be building battery packs, and I'm going to be using this as my primary charger for setting them up. Well, I've got it running. And I've got a single 18650 on there that I pulled out of a modem battery pack. And that was similar to this one here. And I'm using my benchtop power supply to power the device for now. I will eventually get my power from my solar panels, but I don't have a plug set up for that right now. And I want this to be absolutely safe and not rig anything up. So it tells the status. I don't know how well the camera is going to show it. It can sort of get you there, the status. This is fully programmable, which I like. So far, I like the fact that I can go and I can select my own, I can choose what battery type, what voltage, the charge current. I'm going very gentle with 0.5 amp on this battery for the first time ever. It started out at 3.2 volts when I checked it with the voltmeter. And it's showing charging time. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to check the instructions what that is. It's awkward to get this to show up on the camera. There we go. But so far I'm liking it. I like that I can set an independently program the voltages as well. Because once I figure out how to run this properly, I'm going to start setting these at a little bit lower voltage for extended life. Right now I'm just running it and see how it works out, and I'll keep an eye on it. So here's something hilarious but awesome. When I opened this, remember I thought, well, that's funny, it's blue, and I was expecting orange. Well, a friend of mine was mentioning how Imax is the best. Well, that's the box, Imax B6. And I've got a B6 clone, and then I was looking at how to program it because I couldn't read the words very well in the handbook. Well, I can see it, but just not as well. I didn't want to struggle. So I downloaded, I figured, okay, if this is a clone, then I downloaded the Imax B6 handbook, and I'm like, wait a minute, that's the exact same handbook I was looking at. Because it is. This thing uses the Imax packing and handbook through and through. This is a exact clone of the Imax B6. The labels are the same, the buttons are the same, the programming, the software. I'm betting the circuit board is the same. I got an Imax B6 for $20. That is awesome. I'll put the link down below, guys. You can't ask for better for $20. The cables are the same. The included cables, the power plugs, everything's the same. It is literally the Imax B6, just under a different name and using the same packaging. That's so awesome. So there it is. I mean, if you are looking for an awesome battery charger, balancer, discharger, and it can even put your battery in storage mode, your lithium ion. There's so many functions to this. I'll have to do a whole separate video on itself one day on this thing. But I strongly recommend it. I highly recommend this charger. It is so cool. And the price is right. It is an Imax B6. Well, guys, I'll get this video up to you. I'll put the links down below. Please give me a thumbs up, like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. I'll talk to you later.